Dragon.
Hi.
Welcome to our factory.
Yeah.
Why you choose us?
Yeah. I have been traveling around the world since 2013.
Oh, 2013.
Yeah, I have.
That's so many years.
Yeah, I have visited many factories all over the world.
Right.
But the thing I see here is everything in-house.
Right.
Yeah, beyond electronics,
Okay.
we also have a very strong R&D.
R&D.
Yeah, and also the mold shop.
Yeah, molding.
And SMT line.
SMT line. Yeah.
Yeah, after this, the production line.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything here is a streamlined process.
Yeah.
So I see everything happens in front of my eyes. If I go somewhere,
Okay.
some other companies, so how they do is they do a part here,
Yeah.
other parts outside, maybe 20 or 30% in-house,
Yeah.
other 70% is outside.
Right.
But what I see here is just 20% outside and 80% inside.
Right.
So
You're right.
yeah. So practically, if an engineer, if someone who is already know about their products
Okay.
or something, they have been in the R&D,
Right.
when they visit you, then you are the supplier. Yeah, we cannot change that because our mindset. I think your boss is also an engineer.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why
Exactly.
the taste similar.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. You actually you are so familiar with. For here, as everyone said, here is just like you, 80% in-house. So actually, we have 3 SMT line here, and it's the brand is Fuji. It's famous brand
Yes.
in Japan.
This is the PCB board.
Yeah.
Our engineers already designed this.
Yeah.
and
We
this
designed
part
this
is
board.
fabricated outside your factory.
Yeah.
And
definitely.
yeah, you bring this here
Okay.
and you load it in the loading bay.
Yeah. Loading bay.
Through this conveyor,
Okay.
the first process is to print the masking here.
Oh yeah, masking. Right.
Yeah. So the first process is the conveyor take this PCB inside this.
Okay.
There will be a stencil inside.
Okay.
The stencil, making the solder paste wherever required.
Okay.
Based on this PCB, every PCB has a different stencil.
Yeah.
Yeah. So with the stencil, this is a stencil printer. Stencil printer.
Printer.
Yeah.
Okay.
So with the help of the computer, the PCB is aligned to 00,
Okay.
and the stencil will make a layer of soldering mask. Soldering mask on there.
Okay.
So after this process, it will
Okay.
go into the pick and place machine.
Oh, I see. Wow.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. Here you have almost
This is a high speed
Yeah.
SMT machine.
high-speed SMT machine
Yeah.
with 80 feeders.
80 feeders.
Yeah, these are all feeders. This many
feeder.
components you can load.
Oh, okay.
20,
20.
40,
Okay.
60, 80. So
80.
totally 80.
Oh,
And also you will have another opposite side. Also have the
okay.
same.
There is both sides works together.
Yeah, both sides work together.
Okay.
When the PCB comes inside this machine, the computer aligns to a position and start assembling the components as per
Right.
our program.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know this machine because the high speed
Yes.
SMT, especially for some very
Small
small
components.
components
Yeah.
like the resistors and capacities.
Yes.
Right? Because actually nowadays the components become smaller
Yes.
and smaller. Before actually we use that is bigger components. Right?
Yes.
But right now we mainly use this one because
Yes.
now the components is very small. You know the size of the components.
Yes.
Yeah, they call it 0201.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is the list.
But actually, our engineer said this machine can do smaller than this one. Later, I need to check the size.
The size.
Yeah,
This is
yeah,
the
yeah.
size. You can see.
Yeah.
This is one component.
Okay. This one.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is the size you said 0201.
Okay,
This
that's inch, right?
not the inch.
Not inch.
It's in
Milli-inch.
less than million.
Okay, actually our boss say, in our this industrial, not every manufacturer have this kind of machine.
I never seen this machine with some manufacturers.
Oh,
They
really?
do more quantities.
Okay.
Maybe they do more quantity, but they source from some other SMT factory. They
Oh,
manufacture
right.
for them.
Because our boss say, our SMT standard is like cell phone industrial standards.
Yes.
So, wow, cool.
Yeah, I'm sure about that. You
Yeah.
have the industry process machine.
Wow, okay, nice. How about this? I think it's called another SMT. Right?
Yeah, this is for the second size set of components.
It's bigger one.
Yeah, little bigger than that.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
So this
you
will
can
be
see the
some
component
chipsets.
size. Yeah, this is also a resistor, but the voltage is different.
Different.
Yeah.
Bigger size.
I also have a regulator
Oh,
and
regulator.
transistor and some IC.
I see.
Yeah,
I
together we are assembling. This is a 48 feeder.
Mm.
These also have the other side. You can make
okay,
a
so bigger.
components like IC.
I see.
Yeah, like that. Bigger components you can pick from the other side.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this machine is a Yamaha
Yeah, it's
brand,
Yamaha,
also
yeah.
from Japan.
Yeah.
So it's a combination. This one, the high speed.
High speed for the
SMT.
smaller components.
So,
So
smaller
you can
components.
maximum components will be accompanied by that.
Okay.
The second stage of bigger components with this machine.
Okay, I see.
yeah.
See, he's now
Yeah.
it's working.
Yeah, it's
This
now.
I think we call is the multi-function SMT.
Yes,
This one.
you can check the speed. This machine and this machine parallelly it was working.
Okay. So he will flow here.
Yeah, and again go here.
What about this machine? Also Fuji.
Yes, it's also another machine.
This much bigger component.
Yeah,
right?
much bigger components.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think this will be some connectors.
Yeah,
Here.
yeah, connectors and yeah, some connectors and some ICs bigger.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's not working yet.
the engineer is setting up the program.
Okay. So here is setting up the program
Yeah.
here. Okay. Once the setup, it will run.
Yes, it will start running.
Okay. Oh, now it's good.
Now it's working. Yeah.
Yeah.
Once this process is over, then it will automatically go into the oven.
The oven.
Yeah, the
Okay.
oven.
I see.
We already made a soldering mask.
Okay.
So on the soldering mask, the components has been assembled by 3 pick and place machines.
Okay.
With different
Right.
speed and different size components has been placed.
Oh.
So we need to weld the components together with the PCB board.
I see.
For this process, it goes further into the oven. You are already equipped with everything. I think you don't need to invest anymore for next 3 years.
Oh, next 3 years.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
are
right.
already up to date.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have you have all the facilities in your factory. Yeah.
Okay. Right. So this is the oven
This is the
machine.
oven. Once all the components are fixed in the machine,
Okay.
it goes through this area.
Oh,
The temperature inside is will be very high.
very high.
Yeah, to
Okay.
get the components welded.
Wow.
in the PCB.
Right. Right.
So once it closes, there will be a timing.
Okay.
Yeah, when it enters, it exists maybe 3 minutes or 4 minutes later.
Right.
So it gets a high temperature,
Okay.
and all the smokes has been exhausted through this.
Okay.
When the welding occurs, there will be some smoke.
Yeah. Smoke.
All the smokes will be exhausted through this.
Oh, but here we cannot feel the smoke, right?
Yes, that is
Okay.
what here.
Oh.
These are all exhaust lines.
Okay. This side.
Yeah,
They
this
go
is
out.
stage by
Yeah.
stage. the temperature will increase stage by stage and reduce stage by stage.
So if you have different temperature or the temperature inside is the same?
No, from the starting the temperature will be low.
Or low, okay.
When it
Low, higher, higher, and lower.
Lower, yeah.
Oh, right. Whoa, I learned a lot today. I was thinking that the temperature inside is the same, no?
No.
So it's lower, higher, higher, and lower.
Lower, yeah.
Okay, here this part.
When the components, we cannot touch. It's too hot.
Too hot.
Yeah, you
Don't
can
touch.
just be careful.
Oh,
It's too
really?
hot. You cannot touch.
It's 100 degrees. More
Yeah,
than.
more than,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
More than one.
So yeah.
So
right,
once
it's quite
everything is
hot.
completed, they are inspecting all the components has been placed as per the program.
Okay.
If some
right.
components are missing, then again
So
we
we will have
have
a QC here
Yeah, yeah.
to check the components if there is not welding
building, yeah.
good or not.
Not.
Because some components maybe you have some gap
Yeah, some
Oh.
gap or
Oh.
the position change.
or position
Yeah,
change.
yeah.
Also some the team right is not
Yeah.
good
Yeah.
or
The
too
welding,
much.
sometimes welding may not be good
Okay.
like that. There will be some problem.
Oh,
in the
okay.
factory.
So actually we will have a QC here
Yeah,
to
this is
check
the first stage
components.
of the quality control.
Oh, first quality control
Yeah.
here, right? And also we will have the AQ.
This is a manual checking,
Okay, menu checking.
and this is a computerized checking.
Okay.
Both are similar.
Oh, right.
Yeah,
Similar. This
both are
for
similar.
human,
Yeah,
this machine.
this machine.
Okay.
So
We
we
call
are
this
double
AQL,
confirming
right?
everything.
Okay.
We are double confirming. Is everything is fine?
Okay.
Then it goes to computer, and you can see here.
AOI.
You can see.
Auto quality inspection.
Yes,
Yeah, here.
you can see here.
So actually the computer will compare
Yeah, compare the design,
the design
and the physical
real
product.
physical product.
Yeah.
Okay, so actually we have double protection, right?
Yes.
Double here. One is for the humans.
Yes.
Here is the machine.
Machine.
Okay, to make sure.
Yeah, they make sure that all the components is present. In this
Ah.
computer, they will compare. You can see this. There you got a message. Okay.
Okay.
So they split the parts into many parts and they check this.
Okay.
So if they have doubt, then they will place that. Yeah, you can
right.
check that.
So
yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
So actually every PCB is 100% inspected.
After this part, there will be some manual components to be
Okay.
placed.
Yeah.
Might be this is for the motion sensor.
Oh yeah, this motion sensor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They are assembling the manual components which are bigger and cannot be assembled by the machine.
Okay.
So they are assembling it in manually.
Okay. So
Yeah.
with some connectors.
Yeah, with some connectors, and they
Okay.
are going to weld.
Oh.
Maybe the welding, you also have another machine
Yeah.
for the reflow oven.
Yeah. This
Sorry,
this we call
reflow
the
soldering.
auto soldering machine.
Yes,
This
yes.
one.
All the components are assembled.
Okay.
Yeah, there are many other components to be assembled. So every components are assembled and again sent to the machine.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
this we call the auto selective welding machine.
Yeah.
I think many manufacturers they use manually,
Yeah,
but here we do by machine.
this is a very great machine which reduces the manpower and the quality assurance. Even if manpower do the welding process, soldering
Okay.
process,
Yeah.
the quality you need to
Not
double
stable.
check.
Oh, right.
Yeah, because each and every manpower have some difference in the welding process.
Yeah.
So everything cannot be same.
People, if they're feeling good today,
Yeah.
they're doing better.
Yeah, better. Yeah.
But if they're in good mood,
So
Even not
again, you
better.
need to 1 or 2 stages quality control. So
Okay.
when you do the manual soldering process with this machine, you no need to check, double check.
okay, I
Yeah.
see.
Yeah.
This machine.
Yes.
I will say, in this industry, only we have this machine.
I'm sure about that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because actually,
I've never
you
seen
know the
such a
cost
machine in
of-
with other manufacturers.
this machine is a very famous brand we purchased from German.
German. Yeah.
German. it's called Elsa.
Yes,
It's the best one. It costs 2 million,
Yeah.
more than 2 million RMB. Yeah. Actually, we use this machine since 4 years ago.
Okay.
So,
You cannot see the process, but you can capture this. This is
Okay.
the process happening below the
below the components.
Yes, yes.
So actually, this machine is that you can choose what components you
Need to be
you
soldered,
Need to be
yeah.
soldering.
Yeah, yeah.
Not all.
Not
For,
all,
for the oven, it's for all.
Yeah.
And this one you can choose. Yeah, because as I know that some components you don't need to have the very high temperature.
Yes.
Otherwise, it will damage
Yeah.
components. And this one you can set up the right temperature
Yes.
to make sure it welds good. Wow, good. And also, compared to human beings, if we use machines, the quality will be more stable
More
and
stable,
can
yeah.
be controlled.
Yes. And also the production quantity will automatically increase.
Okay.
You can sell more.
Yeah, right. Yeah, more components. Quantity and the quality
Yeah.
both can be
Both
guaranteed.
can be assured with this setup.
Yeah, right.
You cannot see the flow of this setup anywhere like this. Yeah.
So this is a very complete.
Yeah,
right?
complete setup. A complete setup. You have
Okay.
this.
From the first high speed SMT,
Yeah.
and then the multi function SMT,
Yeah.
and the oven, and here is the auto selective welding machine.
Yes.
Okay, it's a full setup.
Full setup. Yeah.
Okay.